David from Loretto, Minnesota, has a question about a sauna.
It's in his basement.
Well, what a place to be. That was a basement.
Well, David writes to us. He says it's a small sauna. It's something they put in after they built the house. And a bathroom is on the other side of the heater wall, and a bedroom's on the other side of the bench side. And there's a shower inside the sauna over the floor drain. Here, you sent us a picture. You can kind of see the inside of it. But,
Sweet.
But the problem is, here's
nice
the drain.
Bench and everything.
Well, the challenge he has is with the floor slope. Yeah. He says the floor is waterproof concrete with interlocking rubber panels. And the problem is the slope on it is causing water to pool and not go down the drain. So David wants to know, Tom, is it okay if he uses a TEC polymer infused thin set to maybe mortar and slope the floor up?
Yes, we can get all high-tech words and stuff like polymers and TEC, but it's as simple as using just a leveling compound that we use, or you can use a thin set, or whatever you want to do it, but just build the slope up. It'll be fine.
Would a leveling compound be okay in that kind of high moisture location?
Yeah, it's not a problem because you can use it in all kinds, including showers and stuff. So it's not a problem. But yeah, if that's what you want to use, it's fine. But the bottom line is you've got to get the slope proper. It's simple. You have the rubber mats go back down on top. It's not like we're running trucks or anything over it. We're running little bare feet. Tender little bare feet over there to sit down.
Exactly.
And I think it's awesome. A sauna is awesome. I like saunas.
Okay.
Dry saunas.
But how do you make sure you get that level right, though? Is there a trick to doing that?
Yeah, it's called using a level and moving it just... I'm serious.
I'm saying you get that smooth finish all the way across.
Well, you trowel it, but then you put a small level on there to make sure you're just up. All you need is 1%. 1% is so little in a little area like that. Water really flows well, even with just a little bit of slope. But yeah, level, we always look for something level. But if you get that bubble just to go a little bit to the side, you'll know that it's in the right direction.
It'll send it there.
Yeah.
Okay. And you send your questions in the right direction when you send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Use the Ask Tom form. Fill it out. They come out here. We'll put them in a video just like this, just like those. Subscribe to our channel, too, please.